completed. Today I'm playing Go Push the Button 4. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed so you can look at the video now. Do it. Still going. My dolly died. Oh, I can't touch it. Ow! It didn't spawn me on the platforms. It didn't spawn me. Why didn't it spawn me? Alice, what are you doing? Why are you jumping inside my foot? I hear a baby crying on her voice chat. Leonardo, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna kill the strongest bacon. No, it's not a bacon. It's a noob.
Yeah.
Oh, it's safe on the button. Watch out for the snowballs. I'm the first one remaining. Don't go on the circles. That's where the snowballs land. Watch out for the snowballs. Oh! Almost died. She exploded! Did you guys hear explode? Oh no. Get out of this. It's a big snowball. Massive snowball. Watch out for the spikes. Don't stand on those. Because I killed the noob. Oh, he just stayed still and I killed him. Alice, get over here. I'm the murderer. We're playing murder mystery. Get over here. Everyone died. Where did Mikey the Trex go? Oh, it's 0930. It's 930. Yes, he left the game. Or it spawned in there. Oh, yeah, she did because I see her right there. I see her username. Oh, no, she has a laser gun. Let me leave before she kills me. Did you guys see that laser gun in her hand? Let's play that one. Don't go on the aliens, space thing. Because if you go in it, you die when you're at the top. We go now, let's go to the end. Oh, Lauren got to the end first. And let's go to all the red coins, because they don't die when you touch them. You don't die when you touch them. Oh, Lauren almost blocked him. Kill this person. I keep blocking the end. No! I died! I think I just nearly fell in and I saw that person's head go up. Kill you. Oh, you just jumped in and I killed you. Let's kill Lauren. Oh, he just cheated. Did you guys see that person jump? Be careful. Go to the other side. Kill everyone. Absolutely laggy. Oh, this person made it. Why is this game absolutely laggy? Absolutely laggy. Oh, she almost got to the end. She was so close. Oh no, I don't know if she did or not. A storm. There we go. Go to the button and press. Oh, I almost got hit by this. It's a swinging ball. Wow. Why are they swinging? Press the button. Avoid the cube. Why are only 2 players that don't have anything to fly left? How do I do not have it out? Oh, left hand protection. Oh. Ooh. Ah! One died. Watch out. Get the blue pad. If you touch it, the round ends. You ready? Everyone died, except for me. Yes, I made it. I'm the only one that did. Press the button. Huh? Wait, I want to actually, replay this. Oh, let's avoid the cube again. Oh, they have a portal gun. So I killed her. And I hit meow back. Guilty. I'm gonna kill Guilty. I'm gonna stay on. I can't go on top. It's a pyramid fighting area or Oh, delivered to the pizza. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have to go to house 18. House 18. Ah! Oh, I shot the protection girl. Look, this girl right here I killed. At the Sherman fighting place. There's a banana peel right there. Kill you. I killed her before the round ended. Holy gosh! It's teleporting me back on the platform. Huh? How did I get over here? It spawned me in the box. What just happened? What? Ow! Well, no, for now I'm just thinking look at those guys are closing. And my kids cannot. And look at this song to do. Let's fly! Okay, 4 players. Oh no, my voice is on. Whoa! Why did they kill you when you're off the island? This person's voice chatting. Last server I just accidentally left mine on. Knock on the door. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a skeleton. Oh, I shot this guy that is protecting. Oh, skeleton! repair the button. Go to the button and recover the gear. Find the remaining gears. Okay, where's the other ones at? We need to put 4 on. Come on, everyone. Put the Yes! The button has been repaired. Woohoo! Avoid the rockets. Well, I'm actually drag my screen in case I know where they are. First phone. Who gets killed first with these rockets? I think it's me. Cause I cannot see around really well. Kill you all, I can't kill this phone. Oh! It almost killed me! Ah! Yeah? I don't know. Huh? Where's my phone? Okay. I'm avoiding the rockets. 3 players survived. Yeah. You ready? Oh, I cannot fight with them because if you get hit once you die. No, I died! Oh, Block E17 Moron. Nice one. Block E17. Find a Bloxy Cola to survive. Yes, I found one! Where's a Bloxy Cola? Oh, I'm the one that has it out still. Kill Red. Ha! He had a Bloxy Cola. Oh, the voice chat. Found Yes, the one has a Bloxy Cola! Right? From the dust blowing this way. Stand clear of the fires. Stand on that side. Come on, which one are you going to be using? On. Wait, no, not in the middle. I shot this person. Here, let me make the player survive. The controller reset! Lol. Why could they control? They didn't make any fun. What happened? I don't want to be tiny. Everyone's taller than me, but not anymore though, because with the button got pressed, they just all got tiny. Come on. Huh? Jump! Oh my god! Stand through here. Leonardo. Leonardo. Yes. Yeah! Press the button. I said press the button. Yes! I can kill him. I know. Grab the most amount of candy. Get the chocolate. I want the Santa cookies. Okay. Grab the cookies. Oh, I got 12 pieces. Come on, I can get that candy. I mean the peppermint lollipop. Yes, I got 13 and now 14. Oh, I didn't. Because it doesn't say points on you anymore.
Oh my gosh, that was false.
Collect and find and collect the Easter eggs. Come on, where are they? I don't see candy. Oh yeah, there you are. I saw one. Oh my god, I saw another one. There you go. 2 Easter eggs collected. Because Easter is the day where you make a race finding eggs. Because you have to find because your kids find Easter eggs. Because you have to collect any Easter eggs to get some candy or toys. This year's Easter, I only got a few candy from these Easter eggs. I have 7 Easter eggs now. Oh, there's another one. They collected. No, they didn't. Okay, it's a moon egg. Okay, get 9 of them. Okay, I finally found 11. 13. 14. I saw another one. Yes, there's another one. 15 found. Yeah! 15 Easter eggs! Let's go! Watch out for the snowballs. Yep. Whoa, watch out. Let's stay on the island so we can kill them so they will remain anymore. Oh my god! Oh, I killed him with voice chat. Oh, he fell off the edge. I cannot voice chat Labubu. He's voice chatting Labubu, Labubu. Ow. Oh my god, there's a ball on the other side. Avoid falling off. Oh, I almost died. Oh yeah, that person died too. Killed her too. Go on the box. Everyone. Let's go on top of this. Let's watch everyone in there. One player's long. Why one? Why does it say 1 player's only? There's one. Avoid being Will. Kill him. This one. Oh, I killed this person that creates these blocks. There they are. This person is 4.5 now. Get down to the bottom. Stay away from the light. Oh, I lost a little bit of power. Ah, what the?
My God.
I'm still there. Because I remember this earlier in the video when I got striked. Whoa! I was in the circle and I did die. That was really close. Get down, get down. Yes, I made it to the end without touching anything. I'm gonna kill anyone when they get to the end. the bottom. Okay, this is the first person, and now the second. Get the ball to the other side. 2 balls is 0. Good enough to use. Nothing is 0. They have like no balls yet. We have 2 balls left.
No, already. Get something good for.
And we have a point. There you go. Push the ball back. Get the ball to your side. I'm gonna do 2 more rounds and then end the video. The red won! Yeah, everyone wins on the red team. Yeah. 1 more round. Well, I'm actually use my. Oh, he died. Never mind. I was almost about to use my my item protection thing. I only have 1 more round left. Wait, no, 2 more. I'm gonna add 2 more. First time ever to win this round. Oh, I only have my stuff up. Stand on the correct color. Reach the top. He cannot kill me because he doesn't have his sword like you. You won, Tyler. You trash it. Leo Chato 4. Chato 4. Yeah! Now we have 2 rounds left. And ending the video. Okay, 28%. Back to the bottom. Watch out for the potatoes. Wow. I don't care survived. It's IDC. IDC stands for I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the players to get to the top. Well, let me actually kill them from right here. I should kill the voice chat person first, and then I don't care. Never mind. Ah! I killed my Ah! He just dropped this banana too high IDC needed it. It's I don't care. We was trying to jump on the next one for me to hide. 1 more left. The person that clicked the button the most amount of times will win. For 13 seconds. Oh, keep clicking. Looks like I'm about to lose.
Wait in there. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, I win! Maybe 1 more left. So I won this video.
I did it.
Oh yes! 2026! Fire the most amount of fireworks. So let's see how many fireworks are around here.
Oh my god.
I don't think I will not. Oh, there's 2 ahead down here. 2 collected. Yes, free! 4! Got 4 collected. Okay, now let's fly around and see if there's more. Okay, there's another one. Okay. Yes, 6 found. There you go, 7 found. Another one, 8 left. Oh, I don't care, collected that one. No, I don't want to have that one. So it doesn't, because the firework doesn't blast off when you're the little boo-boo. 10 had already. 10, 11. Dang it, I didn't collect that one. There we go. Yes, I had 11 fireworks. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye. See you in my next video, guys. Bye. If you want to see a part 2 of Don't Press the Button 4, leave a like on this video.